Guru Brahma, Guru Vishnu, Guru Devo Maheshwaraha, Guru Saksha Parabrahma, Tasmai Shri Guruve Namaha. Mahaperiva Sharanam. Today I am going to share few details about our Jagat Guru, Sri Chandrasekharendra Saraswati Mahaswamingal, 68th Acharya of Kanchi Kamakoti Peetam. He is also known as Mahaswamingal and Mahaperiva. Mahaperiva was born on 20th May 1894 in Anusham Nakshatram at Viruppuram, Tamil Nadu. Mahaperiva's birth name was Swaminathan. He was the second son of Sri Subramaniam Shastrigal and Mahalakshmi Ammal. He had one older brother, three younger brothers, and one younger sister. His father served as a government supervisor for education. From his young age, Swaminathan proved his brilliance in lots of instances. He had a sharp intellect and could grasp Vedas quickly just by listening to them. With the father's frequent transfer, he joined Arcot American Mission School in Tindivanam, Tamil Nadu. He stood first in all subjects, including recitation of Bible. He was often taken by his parents for the darshan of 66th Shankaracharya of Kanchi Kamakoti Peetam. The Acharya observed some divine vibration in the boy and predicted that he will be a Mahatma. The 66th Acharya attained Siddhi at Kalavai. Swaminathan's cousin, who was doing Kaingiriam to 66th Acharya, was installed as the 67th Acharya of Kanchi Kamakoti Peetam. But in about a week of initiation, the 67th Acharya attained Siddhi. At Kanchipuram, a staff of the Madam saw Swaminathan and took him to Kalavai. With the parents' approval, 13-year-old Swaminathan was installed as Pujya Sri Chandrasekharendra Saraswati Swamingal, 68th Shankaracharya of Kanchi Kamakoti Peetam. He learnt Vedas and Shastras from scholars. They were astounded by the extraordinary grasping power of Mahaperiva. He studied Tamil, grammar, and literature. He also learnt English, French, and Marathi languages on his own. Mahaperiva started his Vijayatra in the year 1919. Initially, he travelled in a palanquin. Later, he switched over to Padayatra till the end of his life. Mahaperiva has travelled length and breadth of India by Padayatra. On his Padayatra through remote villages, he had found and renovated many temples. People were blessed by his darshan and his miracles. Through his prophecy and foresight, means Jnana Drishti, he solved his devotees' life problems. Devotees always feel that Mahaperiva is always by their side guiding them. Many political leaders, heads of states from various countries, writers, scholars, and people from all fields sought his blessings and counsel. Mahaperiva is called Vaidyanathar and Dhanvantri by his devotees. Mahaperiva's miracles helped devotees overcome difficult situations. I would like to share one such instance in my next video.